Hey everyone, I'm Sam. I'm here to walk you through the new Galaxy S25 series, built from the ground up for Galaxy AI. The Galaxy S25 isn't just an upgrade, it's a true AI companion, designed for you to find new ways to get things done, search, and communicate effortlessly. I could talk to you all day about these features, but let's just go and find out. Hey there, you finding everything you need?
We love how these look, but we're curious about the new features.
Yeah, can you show us what's changed?
Of course. This is the new Galaxy S25. There's a lot I can show you, but let's start with the basics. Want to see how it uses AI to get things done?
Sure.
Well, let's say that you want to try a new restaurant tonight. What are you in the mood for?
Italian.
But somewhere dog-friendly.
And with outdoor seating.
I think we can find that. Let's send it to my friend Luca. Now, watch how S25 handles the whole request in one go. It's simple. Press, talk, done. Watch this. Find a pet-friendly Italian restaurant with outdoor seating nearby and text it to Luca. There you go.
That sounds so good.
And the S25 already saved the spot and drafted a message to my friend. So I can give the message a quick look and send when I'm happy.
Ooh, I need to get this.
You should, you would so use it. That's so cool. So, what else can the S25 do?
How about finding things you love to do and adding plans to your calendar with a single ask?
Sounds great.
Are either of you sports fans?
Huge Blue Stars fan.
Let's take all the hard work out of going to games. It works the same way as before. We long press the side, and then tell the S25 what you need. Find the next 5 Blue Stars FC games and put them in my calendar. And there you go, into the calendar, just like that.
It would take forever to do that one by one.
But Galaxy makes it quick and easy.
On a roll. What else you got?
Let's see, what kind of content are you looking at these days?
Travel vlogs. I'm planning a trip to Seoul.
So you're gonna love it. So here's a tip. You're probably spending a lot of time watching travel videos and doing research. S25 can help you ask questions about the video and save the answers as a note. It's tough keeping track of all the places mentioned in the video. Google Gemini can help save them all into one easy list. List the places mentioned in this video and save it as a note. And there you go. All the tips without the wait.
That's a great travel partner.
And a great study partner. You guys are both students, right?
Yeah, we are.
Well, Galaxy S25 also makes studying so much easier, and it can help you upload whatever you're studying and make it feel like a conversation. Just upload what you're studying and tell the S25 to help you with it. Can you help me study this?
Happy to. Let's start. What are mutations?
I don't know. Can you explain it in a simple way?
No problem. Imagine your body's instructions are all stored in this giant cookbook called DNA. Mutations are like typos in that cookbook.
Cool.
See what the Galaxy S25 Ultra can do? It's like a tutor that keeps pushing you forward.
Thanks.
I had no idea phones had gotten this good. I'm glad we came by.
I'm glad to. You want to take it for a spin?
Yeah, thanks so much.
Take a look and let me know if you have any more questions. Hey there. Are you familiar with Galaxy?
Yeah, I'm a Galaxy user, but I'm thinking about an upgrade.
Oh, well then you're looking at the right phone.
I like what I see so far, but what sets the S25 apart?
Well, the Galaxy S25 doesn't just add new features, it takes the ones you already love so much further. What's the feature you use most on your Galaxy now?
Easy. Circle to search.
Me too. But did you know there's an upgrade? It makes the search so much more contextual. Here, I'll show you how it works. Let's find something to circle. Tell me when to stop.
And stop.
Good choice. So you already know this part. Long press, circle, and search results. You can circle to search anything on your S25 without switching apps. But see this section here? That's the AI overview. It's an AI-generated response of your search.
Whoa, that is cool.
You can get the information you need faster and easier with AI overviews. Then get right back to what you're doing.
It was already my favorite, but this sounds amazing.
You know what else sounds amazing? Using Circle to Search to find great music.
You can use Circle to Search to find music?
Yeah, you can now. Ever watched a video and With a great soundtrack and want to know what song is playing? Watch this. Press here. Give it a second to listen, and there you go. Mystery solved. You think that's cool? You're gonna love this. Galaxy S25 can automatically recognize images on your screen, then pull out info you need, and even suggests next step with Circle to Search. Just long press the home button, and it automatically identifies phone numbers, email addresses, or URLs on your screen. Then you just tap the chip to quickly accomplish your task.
No more copy pasting.
And less time wasting.
I could get used to this.
Here's something else you could get used to. When you need to find an old photo and share with a friend, how do you search for it?
Same way everyone does. I scroll through 80,000 photos until I get the one I need.
Same here, until I had this. Find a photo of a dog in a bathrobe with a cucumber eye mask.
That'll make scrolling through photos a lot easier.
You want to know another way S25 can save you time? You can customize your phone without searching through the menus. After a day of searching and scrolling, sometimes I just say something like, "My eyes are sore." And, "Look, eye comfort shield."
Amazing. I had no idea you could do this. I guess all that's left now is picking the right color.
Well, titanium silver blue is going fast, but no pressure.
Quick question. What is this?
Oh, that's the Now bar. It showcases ongoing activity on the phone. You can see what music is playing, view sports scores, even see upcoming schedules. Plus, you can access the Now brief straight from the lock screen. It gives you a personal summary of your day curated by Galaxy AI. You can use it to view your energy score, schedule, and routines.
All in one place?
Exactly.
I need this kind of organization in my life.
Busy schedule?
Plenty of work, business trips abroad.
Oh, well, if you travel a lot, then there's a feature I know you're gonna love. Interpreter. It translates your conversations in real time on the spot, and it supports up to 20 languages. You can access Interpreter from the indicator bar. Just set your languages, tap the mic, and start talking. And it even works offline, so if you're somewhere without a signal, you can still get your point across.
Det funkar offline också, ifall du inte har täckning när du reser.
That's so easy. Does work with calls as well?
It sure does, with Live Translate. If you want to live translate a call, tap Call Assist, then turn on Live Translate.
Hej, det här samtalet översätts och undertextas live. Hello?
Hey, Ingrid, we're just testing out Live Translate from the Galaxy S25.
Great to hear from you, Sam. Call us anytime.
Thanks, Ingrid. Let's catch up soon.
That's so fast. What if the other person doesn't have a Galaxy?
Totally fine. Live Translate works even if the other person isn't using a Galaxy device.
So much easier than emailing back and forth. The thing with calls is I always forget something.
Oh, I'm the same way. But S25 lets you record and summarize entire calls. It makes sure you don't miss a detail on a recorded call. It turns your calls into short, simple notes. After a call is over, just tap View Transcript. Then summarize, and just like that, your entire conversation becomes an easy-to-read, point-by-point summary. Perfect notes without the note-taking.
That's super convenient. But with all this on my phone, I wonder, is my data protected and private?
It's a great question. Galaxy S25 is built to be secure. It uses a personal data engine that collects your personal context only on device and protects it using Knox Vault. It also lets you choose your own personal data settings under security and privacy. So control is literally in your hands. By tapping more privacy settings, you can turn your personal data engine on or off.
That makes my life a lot easier. Thank you.
Of course, don't thank me. Galaxy S25 makes my job easier too. I hope you've seen how you can use the Galaxy S25 series in different ways. There are so many new and improved features to explore, so make sure to check out the timeline below if you need to see any of our demonstrations again. And stay tuned for my next guided demo, where I'll be taking you through the upgraded camera. See you then.